the canal. It just came out of the canal, and it's currently going over back to its home. By the time this goes up, it will have already happened, but I'm just editing this now. This is the voiceover. So here, it's kind of just like this for the rest of the time, just sitting in the water. I keep filming it. Sorry for the terrible quality, but it's so that you can actually see the boat. It's full with a lot of masts. Looks like a pirate ship about to pillage Plymouth. So that's it. I'll let you listen the rest of the time, and hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye.
A lot of escorts. I didn't realize she travels so low. There's a cruise ship out there. Is that oh, you know what that is? I think that's Captain John.
Subscribe, and if you want to, feel free to thumb it down. See you in the next video, which, going to warn you, is going to be a rant about BMWs.